गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वंशाकृतिभश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते। सप्तकाञ्चन गौरंगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। ॐ वृंदावै तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्यवत्रे नमो नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासदि श्री गौरभक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। First of all, offer my humble respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Guru Pad Padma, Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Astutra Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Astutra Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble respectful Dandavat Pranam. Lotus feet of Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Astutra Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Gauranga Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakha Siddhar Goswami Bhakti Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis and presented, all of my respectful guests. So, continuing, we also observe the festival, the disappearance day of Rupa Goswami Viraha Tithi, and actually today is the last day, and because continue 3 days, we also morning and evening glorify about Rupa Goswami's contribution and how he was very nearest and dearest of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And even our Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad and Gaudiya Vaishnava, they also discuss in the first book of Srimad Bhagavatam, Janmadasya jatha anyadi tatasya vighnasaratene brahma hridayadi kave mujjan jatsurayo tejo bari midang jatha vinemayo तथा त्रिसर्गो अमृशम धामना समना निरस्तम कुवकं सत्यम परम धीमहि. यह सत्यम in this verse सत्यम परम धीमहि, according to the Gaudiya Vaishnava, that satyam means Sachinandan Gaurhari. That means I meditate Sachinandan Gaurhari, and because he is called the absolutely truth, Satta Sarup. And because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is a combined form of Sachinandan, a combined form of Radha and Krishna. Radha Krishna ekoi sarup lilaros aswadite dhare duirup. Radha Krishna is one, but manifested into manifested into Radha and Krishna. So another also verse saying this there, Ekomeva Dvityam, he is one, but without second. But another also Shakti, Shaktiman or Daur Abhedo. There are no difference between Shakti and Shaktiman. Krishna, he is called Shaktiman, or Srimati Radhika, she is called Shakti. Shakti, that means potency, always remains with Shaktiman. But sometimes this potency, Shakti, sometimes manifest, sometimes unmanifest. The Sanskrit word that is called Murta and called Amurta. So here in this verse, very clearly explained this is Janma Dasya Jata Anyadi Taratasya Vigga Sarat Tene Brahma Hrida Adi Kavaye. Adi Kavaye, though you say Adi Kavaye Brahma, but here in this verse, our Acharyas, Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad and other Gaudiya Vaishnavas say Adi Kavi, that is called Rupa Goswami Pad. Here Adi Kavaye, that is your origin. Adi means origin. Kavaye means poet. That is called the origin poet. That is called Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Though in Srimad Bhagavatam, in this verse, Adi Kavi Brahma, but here, according to Gaudiya Vaishnavas, explain Adi Kavi, who is Adi Kavi, origin Kavi, Mul Kavi, that is called Rupa Goswami Pad. So, Krishna, that means Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he invested all his potency, Adi Kavi Sachinand, Adi Kavi Rupa Goswami Pad. For this regard, Rupa Goswami Pad, he manifested all Rasa, Grantha, Madhurya, Tattva Siddhanta, everything. And this Rasa, Tattva Siddhanta, everything also Rupa Goswami Pad, he gave in the heart of Raghunath Das Goswami, Jiva Goswami, and others. In this Guru Parampara, he has come. Okay? So it is saying this is actual, this highest mood, Singar Ras, that is called Samaras, Madhurya Ras, Singar Ras. First, Singar Ras manifested in Srimati Radhika, and Srimati Radhika, same mood coming in the heart of Madhavendra Puripad. Then Madhavendra Puripad, he gave to Chaitanya, Ishwar Puripad to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Mahaprabhu, same thing, he gave to Rupa Goswami Pad. Rupa Goswami Pad, he gave to Raghunath Das Goswami and Jiva Goswami Pad. Then coming Narottam, Samananda, Srinivas Acharya, and in our Guru Parampara. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he also performed sweet lila, and all his transcendental things he also gave to Rupa Goswami Pad. In Chaitanya Charitamritam, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also explained how Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself practiced the Manjari Bhav. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself tasted and also distributed to others. And here also explain this verse. Apani kori asadane sikhailo bhakta gane prem chinta mani prabhu dhani. Nahi jane sthana sthan jarek tare koiladan Mahaprabhu data siru mani. ओइचे गुप्त भाव सिंधु ब्रह्मा नापाय एक बिंदु हेनधन बिलाइल संसारे ओइचे दयालु अवतार ओइचे दाता नहीं आर गुण के हो नारे बरनी पारे কহিবার কথা নহে কহিল সে না বুঝে ওইছে চিত্র চৈতন্যের রঙ্গ সেই সে বুঝিতে পারে চৈতন্যের কৃপা যারে হয় তার দাসানু দাস সঙ্গ। In Chaitanya Charitamritam, Krishnadas Kaviraj also explained Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He stated आस्वादन किया and how this manjari bhav and then that prem and he also distributed to everywhere and nahi jane sthana sthan jari taile koilo dan da Mahaprabhu Data Shiromani. Mahaprabhu Data Shiromani, that means Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is called the crowns and jewels of all the donors. Oiche Gupta Bhava Sindhu, that very confidential essence of ocean of Bhav. Even Brahma did not get one drop. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he distributed this prem to everywhere. So oiche dayalu avatar, oiche data nahi aar. No one can see this type of data donor, and how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is called the embodiment of compassion. And who can glorify about him? तो कहिबार कथा नहीं कहिलो से केहो ना बुझाय ओइछे चित्र चैतन्यर रंग. If we will tell, here Krishnadas Kaviraj very humble, he is saying, if I tell, no one can understand, because this is very confidential and not so easy to speak also. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he performed this lila. Only those who received the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he can understand, and then he will be completely surrendered lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That means only Rupa Goswami Pad, he realized the heart of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself, he also told in the assembly house of Sarup Damodar Rai Ramananda, when Rupa, Mani Rupa Goswami, he met with me in Prayag, then I invested all my treasure of heart to him. And so for this regard, Rupa, he wrote that verse in the parallel verse of Jo Kaumara Hara. And then because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was dancing and singing and he was reciting this verse, Jo Kaumara Hara. This is a mundane poet in Sahitya Darpan. But Rupa Goswami Pad, he realized the heart of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then Rupa Goswami Pad, he wrote the same mood and parallel verse. That is called Priyo So Ang Sahachari Kurukshetra Milita. That is Kurukshetra Milan, when Srimati Radhika, she met with Krishna in Kurukshetra. Then Srimati Radhika, she expressed her heart in front of her Sakhis. I am same Radha, or my beloved Krishna, same Krishna. Both we are meeting together, but my mind is not happy. I want to return back to Vrindavan. Because here Krishna's mood and appearance is completely different. That means Kurukshetra Krishna or Vrindavan Krishna, that is completely also different. According to the Tattva Siddhanta, the conception of the scripture, there are no different Krishna and Narayan, Dwarkadhish, Mathuradhish. Krishna is one. Ekameva Dvityam. He is one without second. But here is also explained in this way. Origin Krishna, that is Brajanandan Samasundar, and who is the son of Nanda Maharaj. He is always staying in Vrindavan. Vrindavanam parityajam padamekam ja padamekam nagacchati. He does not go out one step from Vrindavan. That means Brajanandan Samasundar, he always staying in Vrindavan, but his expansion and Prakash are going to Vrindavan, to Mathura, Mathura to Dwarka, Dwarka to Kurukshetra, and again Kurukshetra to Dwarka, and Dwarka to came in Mathura. Then after killing Dantavakra in Mathura, then Krishna, he crossed the Jabuna. He came in Vrindavan. But actually, he did not come Mathura to Vrindavan also. And origin Krishna, actually, when Krishna came in Mathura, after Dwarka Lila, Krishna came in Mathura. And according to the Shastra of Rupa Goswami Pad, in what is called? Brihad Bhagavata, another is called? Rupa Goswami Pad Grantha, which Bhagavad? Laghu Bhagavatamritam. According to Laghu Bhagavatamritam, Srila Rupa Goswami Pad explained, Krishna, he came in Mathura and then he killed Dantavakra. After killing Dantavakra, he crossed the Jabuna, then he came in Vrindavan. But when before crossed the Jabuna, then actual Vrindavan, in Mathura, this Krishna, he also staying in Mathura, in there. Then, then he also manifests his form in Vrindavan. Then he was staying with Vrindavan with the gopis and performed sweet lila. So these types of Tattva, Siddhanta, Laghu Bhagavatamritam, Brihad Bhagavatamritam, and also others granthas very clearly explain. Brajendrananan Krishna, he does not go out one step from Vrindavan. And in the same way, Vrishabhanandini Srimati Radhika, she is called origin Radhika. And when Krishna left Vrindavan to Mathura, according to Srimad Bhagavatam, and then Srimati Radhika, that means the daughter of Vrishabhanu Maharaj, Vrishabhanu Nandini Srimati Radhika, she also invisible. Invisible, she was staying in Vrindavan with Brajanandana Samsundar. That means Brajanandana Samsundar Krishna, invisible, Adishra Rup mein, he was staying in Vrindavan. So in this way, our acharyas reconcile these things. Then also Srimati Radhika's another two expansion, Sanjogini and Vyogini. Sanjogini Radha, she was a Vyogini Radha, she went to Visakha Kunda, that is called Uddhav Kyari, and manifested her Viroha Bhav Dibbo Unumad Dasa. And when Uddhav came, and Uddhav, he saw her transcendental madness, the Dibbo Unumad Dasa. That's called Virohini Radha. Or Sanjogini Radha, Vrishabhanandini Srimati Radhika's another expansion, Sanjogini Radha, she came in Kurukshetra and she met with Krishna. So now coming in this way, so all these Tattva, Siddhanta, Rasmadhurja, everything Chaitanya Mahaprabhu invested in the heart of Rupa Goswami Pad. For this regard, Rupa Goswami Pad very clearly explained all these Tattva, Siddhanta, and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also told, hey Rup, I am giving some sweet nectar of Bhakti Rasa Sindhu, just one drop I am giving, and one drop of Bhakti Rasa Sindhu, just for taste for you. तुम्हार चखाइते कोई एक बिंदु, पारापार शून्य गभीर, पारापार शून्य शून्य, पारापार शून्य. No one can cross this ocean and very deep, but just I also give you one drop, so you can taste it. Because here also here teaching to in this verse, Jiva's the qualification. And they cannot taste, they cannot drink all the whole the sweet nectar, the ocean of divine love of Srimati Radhika. Just one drop can taste. Just Pandita sometimes they also give an example, and so maybe 100 kilo sweet rice you prepared. Just 1 or 2 drops and falling down on the ground. That time maybe 1,000 ants, and they can eat and their stomach will be completely full. And because 100 or 1,000 ants cannot and eat the whole and what is called sweet rice from the pot, and just one drop there is enough. In the same way, and Prema Rasa Sindhu, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is testing. Honor Pito Charing Chirat Koruna Honor Koruna Avatirno Kalu Samarpetu Unnata Ujjal Rasam Sabhakti Sriyam Hari Putra Sundradhi Kadama Sandir Pito Sala Hidaya Kamdesh Paratu Vasachi Nandana Sabhakti Sriyam. Here in this verse give intent. Sabhakti Sri. Bhakti Sri. That means the one drop of the prem of Srimati Radhika. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu distributed all the living entities. So now coming in this actual Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he himself tested. Then he also distributed these things. Here, where is the evidence? Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he tested, because here bhase apani kari asadane sikhaila bhakta gane prem chinta mani prabhu dhani. Apani kari asadane. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself tested. Then he distributed to the devotees. And so Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is called Prema Chinta Mani Dhani. So in Chaitanya Chaitamritam, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami again very clearly explained how Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu tested the Manjari Bhav. Here explaining Kalindi Dekhiya Ami Gelam Vrindavan Dekhi Jal Kida Kare Brajendra Nandan Radhikadi Gopigon Sange Sab Mili Jabunare Jale Maharang Kare Keli Tire Rohi Dekhi Ami Sakhi Gano Sange Ek Sakhi Dekhai More Sei Sab Range Hanokale More Dhori Mahakolahal Kari Tumi Sab Loya Loya Tumi Sab Hoya Loya Ailam कहाँ यमुना वृंदावन कहाँ कृष्ण गोपीगण तेसु गोभंग कराइला. Well, there are 3 stages of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was staying in Gambhira, especially last 12 years, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu completely absorbed in the mood of Srimati Radhika. Here also explain this way. Kalindi Dekhya Ami Gelam Vrindavan. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu 3 and what is called Dasa stages. One is called Bhajya Dasa, external stages, Bhajya Dasa. Second, that's called Ardha Bhajya Dasa, half conscious and half unconscious. Or another is called Antar Dasa, completely absorbed in transcendental mode, and that is called Antardasa, internal mode. So when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he came in the stage of Bhajya Dasa, that time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he expressed his own realization, saying Kalindi Dekhyami Gelam Vrindavan. I went to Vrindavan after taking darshan, Jabuna, Kalindi. And then I saw Krishna, then Vrindavan Samsundar, he was playing with the gopis and in the water of Jabuna. राधिकादि गोपीगण संगे सब मिली যমুনার জলে মহারঙ্গে করে কেলি। Then I saw Krishna and he was water sporting with the gopis and, and Srimati Radhika and performing so many kinds of water sporting, and that is called Jal Keli Vilas. I was sitting on the bank. Then I saw how Sakhis they also perform sweet lila. Then one Sakhi also showed to me how Srimati Radhika and Krishna they are performing sweet this lila. So now in this way also explain this verse. अलौकिक लीला प्रभुर अलौकिक रीति सुनिले भाग्यवाने ना होय प्रतीति. This types of transcendental activities of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, no one can understand. Even those who are less intelligent, bhagyahin, they will listen, they can't to realize, but they can't to understand. Sunilo bhagavane na hoy pratiti. Pratiti mane Biswas, faith. Pratiti. Sunilo bhagavane na hoy pratiti. Those are less intelligent persons. Even they listen, they cannot understand and they have no faith. Ateb apone Prabhu Gopi Bhava Dhari. Very clearly explain this verse. So for this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself and absorbed in the mood of Gopi. Then Bhajananda ne kahe prananath kari. Then he is thinking, Bhajananda Krishna is my life and soul. Say Krishna, say Gopi, Parama Virod. Then how possible to say same Krishna and same Gopi? This is also called a completely opposite way. Achinta Charita Prabhur Oti Durbuddha. And these types of character of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, these go beyond of conception. Oti Durbuddha. Not so easy to understand. Ithe tarko kori keho na karo sangsay. But no one can doubt and tarka means arguments. That means you should not establish with your material logic. Krishner Achinta Shakti ei mata hoy, Achinta Adbhut Chaitanya Bihar, Achinta Krishna Shakti, according to Krishna's Achinta Shakti, inconceivable potency, and then everything will be established. So Achinta Adbhut Krishna Chaitanya Bihar, Chitra Bhav, Chitra Gun, Chitra Vyavahar. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's transcendental qualities, transcendental activities, only who receive the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Actually, this verse is explained how Rupa Goswami, he realized the heart of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because Rupa Goswami Pad, he absolutely surrendered with the lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But you cannot ask to other devotees, they are not surrendered to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself told, Joggo Patra Jani Tare Shakti Sanchar. Because Lord, he is called Satantra Sechamodi, he is independent. And so we should not argument. And his Premadhan, he will give to whom he knows. So in the same way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is saying, I am giving this my highest prem to Lord Rupa Goswami Pad. Because another thing, Rupa Goswami Pad in his form, Sadhak Deva is Rupa Goswami, but in his transcendental form, that is called Rupa Manjari. Rupa Manjari form. Rupa Manjari form. or that Rupa Manjari is non-different from Radhika's Rupa. So for this regard, Kavi Karnapur, he composed this verse. What is the verse? Priya Sarupe Daita. भूल जाते हैं कितने श्लोक है। प्रिय स्वरूपे द्वैत स्वरूपे अजिक रूपे मन प्रिय स्वरूपे द्वैत स्वरूपे प्रेम स्वरूपे सहजाति रूपे निजानुरूपे प्रभुरे करूपे तथानुरूपे सविलास रूपे। कवि कर्णपुर very clearly explain प्रिय स्वरूपे is very necessary. प्रिय necessary of Sarupe, also Sarup Damodar, or the Sarup of Srimati Radhika. Daita Sarupe, Daita means Dayate, Dayate iti Daita. Meaning one who completely offer everything to Srimati Radhika. Daita Sarupe, Prema Sarupe, and he is the embodiment of Prema, Prema Sarup. And Sahavik Monogda Sarup, or he Prema Sahajati Rupe, Sahaja Ati Rupe, Sahajati Rupe, and spontaneously, when Sahavik, and he completely offered herself to Srimati Radhika, and that means she knows the heart of Srimati Radhika. And Manjari Seva means is what? And one who absolutely surrendered to Srimati Radhika, that is called Radhika Nishtha. And one pointed to Srimati Radhika. And Attantiki Seva Vritti also there. And Bhabullas Ruti. There are so many things in the heart of the Manjaris. So Rupa Goswami Pad, that means Rupa Manjari, and she is the prominent Mukha Rupa and Nija Anurupa. Nija Anurupa means according to his own desires, and Sabilas Rupe, and Rupa Manjari, and she is very nearest and dearest of Srimati Radhika, and she knows how to confidential place to serve Srimati Radhika. There are many kinds of services there, and that things also our Raghunath Das Goswami explained. Tamula Arpana Pada Mardana Payudana Visaradevi, Vindarana Mahesani Prana Prishta Sekila Sankochita Bhumika Rupamanjat Dasika Aham Sang Sarait, Tamul Arpan, and offering the betel nuts, water, and Payudano, Kurpur Seva, and to servicing the camphor, different service. And they also know everything. Even that the confidential place, Prano Prashta Sakhi Kila Sankochita Bhumika, Prano Prashta Sakhi, that is called Lalita Visakha. Even they can't too easy to enter in that the confidential place where Radha and Krishna, they are meeting together. Even Prana Prishta Sakhi, Lalita Visakha, they can. If they want to enter in that the confidential place, they have to take permission from Manjari, especially Rupa Manjari, because Rupa Manjari, the Dasi, Rupa Manjari, she is the prominent among of all the Manjaris also. Here also discuss these things. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, actual Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu absorbed in the mood of Srimati Radhika. Apurna ke Radha Bhave Kare Anukhan Chaitanya Chaitamritam. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu always thinking, I am Radha. So Rupa Goswami, that means Rupa Manjari, she is very dearest of Srimati Radhika. For this regard, here In Chaitanya Chaitamritam also explained Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu invested all his Shakti potency in his heart. And otherwise, how possible to manifest all these granthas, especially Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Ujjal, Nirmani, Vidagdha Madhav, Lalit Madhav, Grantha, and also so many granthas is there. Even once Rupa Goswami Pad, when he was staying in Vrindavan, he was saying, he was thinking, I will make one grantha about Krishna Lila. And that means Dwarka Lila and Vrindavan Lila and Mathura Lila mixed together, I will make one grantha. Just he was thinking in his mind, and then when he came in the place of Satyabhamapur, and one night Rupa Goswami Pad, he was taking rest, sleep in the temple of Satyabhama Mandir. Then Satyabhama Devi, she came in his dream and told, you should not mix the Dwarka Lila and Braja Lila. And Amar Lila Pithak Karaha Rachan. And Satyabhama Devi, she told, Erup, you also write different, that is called my Lila, completely different, not to separate, not mixed together. And Lord Rupa Goswami Pad in his dream came, but he did not tell to anyone. But when Rupa Goswami Pad, he met with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu suddenly also told to Rupa Goswami, Hey Rup, Krishna ke braj hoite nakaro bahir. Vrindavan Krishna, he would not go out from Vrindavan. Krishna ke braj hoite nakaro bahir. Then Rupa Goswami Pad, he realized, oh, Satyabhama Devi, she also gave me order, and because her Pura Lila means Dwarka Lila, I have to manifest in separately. Or here Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, same thing, he is giving instruction, I have to manifest Braj Lila Katha and in separately. For this regard, Rupa Goswami Pad, he wrote one grantha that is called Vidagdha Madhav Natakam, that is called Braj Lila Katha, or another is called Pura Lila Katha, that is called Dwarka Lila Katha, that is called Lalit Madhav Natakam. But both Lila is very sweet. But Lalit Madhav Natakam, that is for so many separation mode. Or Vidagdha Madhav Natak, most of the meeting Lila in there. If you read Vidagdha Madhav Natakam, very sweet also they are meeting Lila. But that Natakam also wrote in Prakita Bhasha, and even not Sanskrit, even not Bengali, not Sanskrit. Also that is called Prakita Bhasha, one kind of language also there. But simultaneously also wrote the language of Sanskrit. Sanskrit is there. Actual origin this grantha, Vidagdha Madhav grantha, written in Prakita Bhasha. This is the language in there. But their language is very, very difficult and different word, and it is not so easy. Prakita Bhasha, those who are very scholar, the Panditas, they also speak that. And when in Mathura, the one, what is called Panditas in Sampradaya. Which Sampradaya? Balbhacharya, Vallabh Sampradaya. He is the guru of Vallabh Sampradaya. Once he came, I think 2 times also he came. Now he left his body or not, I don't know. He was very old. And he also spoke this katha also, that is called Prakrit Bhasha. And this is all. And not Hindi or not Bengali, not Sanskrit. Little bit mixed, difference way, you know. Here also in Chaitanya Adi Rup Goswami Pad, he wrote to Sanatan Goswami, and that is what is called. And Kagate Muthurapuri Ka Uttara Kosala. And but he written in their different way. Maybe later I will show to you. Here also Chaitanya Chaitamritam explain this way. And but in simultaneously as written in Sanskrit. And but origin there is called Prakrit Bhasha. And because that time and all these katha they also spoke with very high class scholars person. And Rasakabya katha and only can and speak those who are high class, exalted, and as like Raya Ramananda, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, Sarup Damodar, Raya Ramananda, this type. Those are high, so much deep and philosophy in Tattva Siddhanta, Rasa Siddhanta. And understand, for this regard, Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada, he gave an example. And the honey inside the bottle, honey, madhu, honey inside the bottle, but that the bottle closed with the cork. You understand? Cork. But sometimes the honey bees, they are thinking, oh, very nice, beautiful, sweet honey. I will take this for the other, and wandering, but and around the bottles, but they cannot taste, but they cannot touch the honey, because that honey completely also closed with the cork and the honey inside the bottle. And if someone and mercifully open that the cork or lids of the bottle, then you can taste and lick the honey. And Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, he gave this example. And in the same way, our Rupa Goswami Pad, he wrote many Tattva Siddhanta, Ras Madhurya Grantha, but who can understand these things? For this regard, one Rasik and poet, what is his name? Madhu. And he wrote Jankali Rupa Sarirna Dharata. If the in this Kali Yuga, if in this Kali Yuga, Rupa Goswami would not appear, then who can understand about this highest Prema Madhurya Rasa Katha? Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he tested and he gave to Rupa Goswami Pad. This is true. But if Rupa Goswami Pad would not manifest this Grantha, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Ujjal Ilmani, Vidagh Madhav, Lalit Madhav, no one can understand. So saying this way, Jankali Rupa Sarirna Dharata. Jankali, in this Kali Yuga, if Rupa Goswami Pad would not appear, no one can understand the highest prema of divine couple of Radha and Krishna. Even no one can understand what is the bhakti and bhakti ras. Before Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, most of the people, they are thinking bhakti and bhakti ras both are same. You understand? But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu explained to Rupa Goswami Pad and gave his mercy in his heart. Then he explained what is the meaning of bhakti and what is the meaning of bhakti rasa. Srimad Bhagavatam also explained about bhakti katha, rasa katha, rasakabya katha, many things also. Sarat katha, kabya rasam is there also. Very nice, beautiful. But different shastra also explain about bhakti. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, by the causes mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Rupa Goswami Pad, he clearly explained ये भक्ति एंड भक्ति रस both are not same. Bhakti means each word. Bhajyate sevate iti bhakti. Seva vritti, that is called bhakti. But this seva vritti are different types. Karma Misra Bhakti, Gyan Misra Bhakti, Arup Siddha, Sangha Siddha, different kinds of bhakti also there. Saguna Bhakti, Nirguna Bhakti, Oisarja Mula Bhakti, Madhurja Mula Bhakti, Vaikuntha Bhakti, Ayodhya Bhakti, and also Mathura, Dwaraka Bhakti, Golok, Vrindavan also bhaktis. So different bhaktis, but all these bhaktis is not same. And seva vrittis is not the same. And so when Rupa Goswami Pad very minutely, that is Chuljira, and very minutely explain about what kinds of bhakti. For this regard, he also composed the definition about bhakti. Anna vilasita sunnam jnana karma dhanavritam anukullena krishnanu bhaktira uttama. Then our Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, Jiv Goswami Pad, and Rasik Acharyas, how they also explain this about Uttama Bhakti. Uttama Bhakti means the highest devotional service to Lord. And actually this Uttama Bhakti, that is called in Golok Vrindavan. Golok Vrindavan. And that is also that when you deeply and minutely analyze, actually the Uttama Bhakti and Seva in the heart of the Manjaris. And especially Rupa Manjaris. Because today we also discuss about Rupa Goswami, how Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu invested in the heart of, invested his treasure of heart to Rupa Goswami. In the beginning, I still told Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Adi Kavi, Adi Kavi, that means origin Kavi, poet, Rasik Kavi, Rupa Goswami Pad. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he gave all these things, and especially he realized these things. Then he wrote this Grantha, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. Then, and specific way, he also explained about Sringar Rasa Madhurya Katha, conjugal prem, Madhurya Katha, his what is it? Ujjwal Nirmani Grantha. In Ujjwal Nirmani Grantha, he gave different definition about also in there. Sneha, Man, Pranay, Rag, Anurag, Bhav, Mahabhav, Uruda, Udhiguda, Mohan and Madanaka Mahabhav. Even the different kinds of Sneha also there. And Dasya, Sakha, Vatsalya, even Madhurya Sneha is also there. Different kinds of devotees. And different kinds of, they are also Sneha, Sneha, Man, Pranay, Rag, Anurag, these things also. So in Ujjwal Nirmani Grantha, and he explained everything, and he gave the so many examples, different way, Shastras. Even had he did not, he and get the example from others Grantha, and then he also composed his own slokas. And then he gave this example this way. How did he compose these slokas and give this example? This is the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So for this regard, and this book, Grantha, Rasa Grantha, and also manifested in the assembly house of all the Rasik and Vaishnavas, and especially Haridas Thakur, and Haridas when in morning or one time also explained, when Haridas Thakur, he heard Rupa Goswami Pad, how did he glorify our Nam Tattva? Tundi Tanuri Vitonati Tunda Buri Labdhai. When he heard these glories of Harinam, then Haridas Thakur, he became very surprised and what is called Bagal Bajai. He also buzzing his arms And yeah, I heard there's so many glorifications of Harinam, but Rupa Goswami Pad, and his glory of Harinam, this is what a unique and unparalleled, because there's Shabd Alankar, Artha Alankar, all kinds of Alankar ornaments in there. Haridas Thakur, general people think Haridas Thakur only chanting holy names. Actual Haridas Thakur is a combined form of Brahma and Prahlad. So Brahmaji, he knows everything. Rasa Siddhanta, Tattva Siddhanta. And understand? So Brahmaji, he knows everything. And externally he is chanting holy names, but he always testing Nama Rasa Madhurya. Understand? For this regard, in Namastak, Srila Rupa Goswami Pad explain these things also. And Harinam Tuva Aneka Sarupa. In this way, also very nicely explained. Well, name is one, but and manifested in many forms, and even in Jaydev Goswami Pad, and also he glorified Dasavata Stotra in his sweet and Grantha and Git Govindam in this way. And because Harinam is non-defense from Sri Hari. Nama Chintamani Krishna Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha Purna Suddha Nitya Mukta Abhinna Tvat Nama Namino. So don't you think Haridas Thakur just is chanting holy name, and actually he is testing the Nama Ras Madhurya in there. And because holy names is non-dependent from Rasa also. Holy name, Nama Ras, Haridas Thakur, and is very qualified person also. So in this Nam Madhurya Ras, and so here Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he gave everything, and especially Vidagdam Rupa Goswami Pad, he wrote Vidagdha Madhav, Lalit Madhav, Granthas, and many Ras Madhurya Katha, Viraha, and meeting and Viraha, Milan and separation and meeting, Navina, Vipralambino, Sambhoga Pushti, Masnute. Without separation, no one can realize the highest and conjugal mood, these things. And Rupa Goswami Pad again also clearly again about Sakya Bhav, Parakya Bhav. Sakya Bhav means relation between wife and husband, that is called Sakya Bhav. Parakya Bhav, that is called transcendental parable mood, Parakya Bhav. And Parakya Bhav is Brajiro Prachar. In Braj transcendental world, this is the transcendental parable mood, this is the highest mood. And then also explaining Samandhatmika, another is called Kamatmika. And Samandhatmika and Kamatmika. Samandhatmika, and in the heart of Nanda, Jasoda, Subal, Sridham, they are also called Samandhatmika because they have relationship with Krishna and they serve to Krishna according to their Samandha. Or Kamatmika, the spontaneous, they have transcendental and prem, that is called last, they serve to Krishna. And this Samandha, Kamatmika. Again, Kamatmika is divided into, that is called Sambhog Ichamai and Tattat Bhavichamai. Sambhog Ichamai, and independently, they also meeting with Krishna, as such as Prana Prishta Sakhi, Lalita Vishakha, and sometimes they also independently, Satantra Rup se, they meet with Krishna. Tat Bhavichatmika. Tat Bhavichatmika, that is called Manjari Bhav. Tat. And here they also, this Manjari, just how they on pointed with Srimati Radhika. And in Govinda Lilamrita Grantha very clearly explained, because this prem is very, very confidential, in even not available for a Brahma, Shiva and other person. So how possible Jivas they will attain this highest prem? And if Brahma, Shiva cannot get, even Uddhav he did not get this highest prem. So how possible Jiva will get these things. So for this regard, our Acharyas very clearly explain the one who completely one pointed to Srimati Radhika. What is saying this one? Anaradha Radha Padambujarenu Anasrita Vinda Atave Tat Padankam Asambhasa Tadabhava Gambira Chittan Kuta Samo Sindhu Rasa Sabagao Kuta Samo Sindhu. Samo Sindhu means the ocean of conjugal mode. Here Samo Sindhu means conjugal mode. What conjugal mode? That is called Braj and conjugal mode. And if you want to Braj conjugal mode, then you have to follow the three principles. You have to one pointed with Srimati Radhika. Without one pointed with Srimati Radhika, not possible. Very nice. Brahmadi Nigad. Just I forget this sloka, very nice. Radha Prano Bandhascha Charano Kamalयोग Keso Seso Adda Agamma Tha Saddha Prema Seva Boro Braja Charita Rati Garo Lului Kalabha. And in this verse, explain even this highest prem, Brahma, Shiva, Lakshmi, and says they cannot attain. And how will you attain this? Those speaking Loula Garo Lului Kabha. If you have deep greed, then you can get these things. How will you deep greed? Here explain. Here this Garo Sabd Prayog Srimati Radhika Charane Ananya Bhakti. That means you only one pointed with the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. And then you have to stay in Vrindavan. And third, you have to associate with high class, exalted Brajarasik Sadhu and Guru and listen the sweet pastimes of Krishna. Radha Krishna's Lila Katham Smaranam. These things also. Otherwise, how possible to enter these things? So Rupa Goswami and our aim and object, and how will you receive one the sprinkle and mercy from Rupa Goswami? Further Narottam Das Thakur, very humble, he wrote this pranam mantra of Rupa Goswami. Sri Chaitanyam Manobhishtam Thapitang Jano Bhutali Sayang Rupa Kadamajjang Dadati Sapadantikam. Rupa Goswami who fulfilled all the desires of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When Rupa Goswami will accept me and he also gives service to lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Radha Dasam. So for this regard, Rupanuga, Acharya Pravar, Srila Raghunath Das Goswami again and again, he recited this verse, Padabjus Tavavina Paradashrameva Nanna Kadapi Same Kila Devi Jache Sakhaita Mama Namastu Namastu Nittang Dasayate Mama Rasastu Sattam. And Srimati Radhika, she told, hey Raghunath, I am very pleased with your hard austerity. You can ask any benediction. Then Raghunath Das in this verse explained, Padabjustavina Bardastameva. And here Srimati Radhika, if you please with me, so I pray unto your lotus feet, just you accept me like your Dasi, Palladasi. And I don't want the position of Lolita Vishakha. Just to accept me as your Palladasi and serve your lotus feet under guidance of Rupa Manjari. Sri Rupa Manjari Kararjita Pada Padma Gastandana Bhujar Vidamastakaya Matata Kanaguri Padarvindam Sanvahani Sanakaistava Kim Kariste and Vilap Kusumanjali Grantha Raghunath Das Goswami. So many glorification about Rupa Goswami or Rupa Manjari and step by step how to enter in there. But this is called our and what is called the saddha. Saddha means goal, but you have to come sadhan, because sadhan bina saddha vastu prapti nahi hoy. Kripa kori kaha se je saddhir upay. And without sadhan, you cannot attain. Then again you will come down. How to step by step you go your highest perfection, and that is called Rupa Goswami Padhi wrote. Upadesamritam vacho vegam manaso krodho vegam jiha vegam udarpastha vegam edan veganjo vijote dhira sarvam piman prativing sa sisat. Come in there. Because first you determine if you are sadha vastu goal. What is your goal? How to attain the mood of Manjaris and serve to Srimati Radhika. Radha Daksam Vishnu. This is our goal. So Gurudev also explained, first you establish or determine your goal. Then you have to practice sadhan. And then coming in here in Upadesamritam, Manasiksha, Siksha is called Siksha stock. This is a step by step. You come and attain your high person. Good. Then go. Jolly money, everything okay. Everything's okay. Good. Premanandi. Jai Jai Sri Radhe. Okay, my heartily blessing all to you.